Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Patrick. I am testing out this strategy, but I think I might not have enough time testing it, so I'd like to share it with you. If it works, good for you. If it doesn't, please check for other strategies in my channel. There are strategies that can work for you. The idea behind this strategy is this: whenever the red moving average on the RSI enters the Bollinger Bands, you take a trade. For example, right here, the red moving average entered the Bollinger Bands, so you could have taken a buy right here. You could have taken a buy somewhere right here. And another thing that I can say, the best trades occur if the red moving average is from touching the 10 line level for a buy, or if the red moving average is from touching the 90 line level for a sell. For example, right here, the red moving average touched the 90 level and then it came back to enter the Bollinger Bands. So somewhere right here, where the red moving average was entering the Bollinger Bands, you could have entered a sell. Let's look for more examples. Right here, the red moving average touched the 10 line level and then it came back to enter the Bollinger Bands. So somewhere right here, you could have taken a buy. One last example. Let's check what happened right here. The red moving average touched the 90 line level and then it came back to enter the Bollinger Bands somewhere right here. So you could have entered a sell somewhere right here. But then on another note, if it enters the Bollinger Bands towards the 50 line level on the RSI, that trade I wouldn't advise that you take it, because your 50 line level on the RSI is your TP, or at least it's where you take partial profits. And if a trade is towards your take profit, there's no point in taking it. There is no point. So it's best for the trades that will happen up around the 80 line level or around the 20 line level down there for the buys. So that's another added information. And let me just give you the settings for this strategy. The first thing is I'll start with the zoom level, or the time frame is M15. It works best on M15, even though you can try other time frames for yourself. The platform is MT5. I think it can also work on MT4. You can try it out, no problem. And the zoom level, just zoom out everything. Zoom out and then you move to the first step after zooming out. And for the strategy settings, you start by inserting the relative strength index on the main chart. The relative strength index, period 1 applied to close, and you have these levels 10, 90, 50, 80 and 20. And then after inserting these, you go back and then you click done and you come back to your indicators again. On indicator window 1, you insert Bollinger Bands with these settings. After inserting the Bollinger Bands, you click done, and lastly you come still on indicator window 1, which means you will be coming to this function, not this one. So on indicator window 1, you insert the 5-period moving average. Make sure it's a simple, on the method it's a simple moving average applied to close, and after this you click done and you are good to go. You continue testing the strategy. It might not work on the first day, second day or first week, but if you dedicate yourself, keep polishing it up, it might work for you. Remember the two key points I have said. It works best if the red moving average is from touching the 90 level, just like here. The red moving average touched the 90 level and it entered the Bollinger Bands. And the other key point that I said is that if it enters the Bollinger Bands towards the 50 line level, it can be from the bottom or from the top. If it is towards the 50 line level, there is no point in taking that trade because it is almost towards your take profit. That's it for now. I wish you the best. Thank you.